Alright guys, so now the next thing we'll be working on is changing the front blinkers. As you can see, I got the LED on the left and the regular bulb on the right. Let's get into it. So now, it's fairly simple. And what we gotta do, all we gotta do is just pretty much take out a Phillips head screw right here. And then once we get that out, we'll be able to take out that whole blinker. So let's do it. There we go, got the whole screw out. Now we can get to the housing where the bulb is. All you gotta do is just turn it, and boom. Now we have access to the bulb. Take that old bulb out. All right guys, now that we got our bulb out, now we could put our plastic blinker housing back over it. So we just want to line up the tabs here like it's hole in the wall, and then you want to just turn it just a tad bit. You want to start turning it more to the right. As you see, now it's snapped in there nice and well. Now we just put the blinker back in its place, and then now we just put that screw right back where it was. And just like that, now we have LEDs in our blinkers. Hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Make sure you stay tuned for more Corolla content. May you take care of yourselves, Toyota crew. See you in the next one. Peace.